30 years of innovation, leading the future of the industry. SUNHUNK, as a strategic partner of China's heavy-duty truck manufacturers, has a glorious 30-year history. Under the development strategy of global market, international standards, world-renowned brand, and Chinese manufacturing, we continue to grow, with a business scope covering crane trucks, engineering dump trucks, cold chain logistics equipment, and more. With independent innovation and technological breakthroughs, we have established a strong presence in over 30 countries and regions worldwide. The SUNHUNK brand is well known both domestically and internationally. Moving forward, we will continue to drive industry development, lead technological innovation, and help global customers achieve more efficient and intelligent industrial progress. We sincerely invite you to visit us at Big 5 Construct Saudi 2025 in Riyadh from February 15th to 18th, 2025, booth number 479, to learn more about SUNHUNK's innovative products and technical solutions.